Do you have future plans to run for president of the Philippines? Do you have future plans
Not of not.
to run for president of the Philippines?
Senator Escudero is hesitating. Senator
has to be
Marcos, what is your
qualified.
vote?
No.
I
have
would
no.
refuse to answer because
Yes
it's
or no lang.
Sorry, no. Just yes or no. Everybody's saying no, but Senator Trillanes is saying it needs to be qualified.
It needs to be qualified because it's not that simple to answer.
You mean plans
But
today?
we can't
Oh, all
qualify
right.
that, sorry, sir, because we would have to
Yeah.
have qualified all the other yes
And then we
or
need
no
another-
questions. Unfortunately, sir. So, would you like to answer, Senator Sunny?
I have no answer.
No answer.
All right, but everybody
so it's
else-
just Senator Alan Peter Cayetano.
plans.
Did you change your mind?
No, no. I was holding up this because you're asking, do you have any plans? Kung ngayon, wala. But I don't want to put that and then in the future or whatever.
Okay.
You're asking,
All
walang
right.
plano sa ngayon.
Anyway, well, thank you, candidates. Well, let's see
So
what
they all
happens,
said-
huh?